we are putting a 1-inch grid on this 5x7 portrait today. You're gonna need a pencil and a ruler. I recommend ruler that is longer than what you actually need. I'm gonna start by just drawing a line straight on the edges of my picture. This helps me determine where to start and end and gives me a little bit extra to work with just in case I need it. All right, this also gives me a place to measure. So I'm gonna line my ruler up on this bottom line, and I'm gonna make a tick mark at every inch mark. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's already one at 5. And then I'm gonna do the same thing at the very top of the picture. You need to have both of those little tick marks so that when you connect the lines, they are straight. And then I'll go ahead and connect these. I'm gonna go over just a little bit. You don't have to if you don't want to, but I am. If you have a particularly dark picture, you might do this step in a fine point Sharpie marker or a ballpoint pen. Because my photo is pretty light, I can just do this step in pencil. Right, so now I have 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because this picture is 5 inches wide. So now I'm gonna go and do the other sides. So again, I'm gonna make a tick mark after each inch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 is the end. I'm gonna do that on both sides. And you have to do this accurately so that your grid makes squares. If you're using the grid and your squares are not neat and proportionate, you're gonna have very wonky, when you transfer it over to your big paper, it's gonna be kind of off, and it kind of defeats the purpose of using a grid. All right, so here I've got my 1-inch grid on here. If it's helpful for you, you could do A, B, C, D, E, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, but only if that's helpful to you.